Well, gee, everyone, looks like I finally decided to upload after 10 months. So it's been quite a while, August 5th, since, I posted a tweet, but, let's see how many days was that ago. It was a while. Okay, I can't count, whatever. I posted this little image. Not many people seen it, really, but, not many people seen it, or even, that was me, actually. So, yeah, it's been a while. Of course, a long while, 3 months of not tweeting, then 10 months of not uploading. That's pretty weird. Indeed, very well. So I'm upload. That's right, I'm doing something for once. What I've been working on is a video game. That's right, a video game. Why, what else did I work on, right? So it's taking a lot of inspiration from a lot of other games. There's not much to it. I got a flashlight, and guess what?
There's shadows.
Yeah, there's a lot of shadows. There's only shadows. Pretty much that's everything that makes this game look good is shadows. That's it. That is it. There's a tutorial level that makes fun of your ugly face. That's right. I'm very unique, like all the other people who have made a joke during the tutorial. That's right. Yep. Simply tutorial. Well, that's quite obvious. So you jump on a key. Okay, I can't even jump. Whatever. See, the tutorial is quite obvious. You just jump on. Oh my gosh, I hate myself. Tutorial is quite easy. You jump on a cube. That's part of the game. There's puzzles, but I've only made parts of the game where you jump on a cube. That's about it. That's pretty much about this entire part of the game. You jump on cube. Now, of course, there's other levels, such as this level here. You gotta. Also, here's why I added the flashlight. The reason why I added the flashlight was because it gets very dark sometimes, so you might want to fix that with a flashlight. It just helps, flashlight things. Don't worry about those two things there. They're definitely not there. You don't see them. So the best part is I added was lighting. Lighting looks pretty good. I do say so myself. Of course, all my games have virtually just been 2D and really crappy paint 3D images. So this is pretty good. I also added physics. That's right, I added physics, boys. Not really good ones, in fact, they're really horrible, and I don't want to show you the way how I made them, because you're probably going to make fun of me. Yeah, so if you're wondering, what the heck is this game about? Well, you're about to see. Well, you run your face into a cube, but that's pretty much about it. Yes, exactly. That is it. There's a cube. It glows. I just added this new thing today. Before it was just like a green cube that had letters on it, and that was it. Now it's I guess you could say it looks good. I don't really know what this looks like. It's there. Whatever. You can walk into it. You get back to the main level. Yes. Now, I've been working on a couple levels. Now, I haven't been able to make a good level, like a puzzle level yet, but that's coming on the way. Because I'm going to have parkour levels here, probably another type of level here, and like the main story level here. Just those little freaking around levels that I screwed up and just so that said, yeah, it took me an hour to make, so I'll just post it right there. Post it. Yeah, I'm sure that's the right thing to say for that moment. Alright, whatever. Now, I made this level. Looks, well, the looks can be deceiving, yes, I know. I always love it when that thing falls. It's perfect timing. You see, this level here is for the advanced, I guess you could say. It's not easy. Oh, yeah, I just died. It is not in any way easy. This level, it is not in any way exactly easy. So this will be on, the advanced levels. There won't be many of them, but if you complete them, I'll probably give a reward, and that reward will just be absolutely nothing. I'll probably ignore you, actually. Oh, also, yeah, the red cubes, they float, and they have zero gravity, so you can't actually jump on them that long. Sure, there's a lot more, but they will fall onto you like that, pretty much, and that's that. Yeah, that's all I have. That is it. That took me 10 months to make. So, I've made a couple of games. Oh dear, I just did a new scene. Whatever, who needs a new scene? I made a couple of games, I guess you could say, for the past 10 months, or at least the starters of ones. Yeah, my name's very good. The weird... I think that was it, no. Yes. Now my old project called the Desktop Windows 10 Edition, that there is I guess you could say, a fallen project, because I no longer like 2D games anymore. I only did it because it was only easy. Now I figured out how to get actually good graphics because of post-processing and used how to Pro Builder, which makes 3D games a heck of a lot easier to do. And that's really the only reason why I didn't do any 3D games back then as much, except the one called Yet Another Jumping Game or whatever. Yeah, it was alright. Except that one used the light baking, and baking light takes forever, so at one level, the only singular level took like 3 hours to bake. So I didn't want to do that, so now I just use post-processing lighting, which is way easier. Yeah, this game here, it's alright. I do admit, I kind of like it, but the game itself is absolute trash. So yeah, that's that project. I haven't done much, really, except add a couple things, like pretty much Alt F4. Didn't update that to the main game yet, probably will later. Also, this is a game I made after trying to work out my best with 3D games. I wanted to have a shooter game, so I tried to work on that. Well, it's working out okay, I do admit. Haven't worked on it for an entirety of 7 months. The game still consists of very horrible, I guess you could say. Oh boy. Yeah, oh frick, right. So here's the basics. Looks kind of weird, right? Yeah, it does. I do admit, you can shoot them and kill the little cubes, so for click, no gunshot round. But I mean, hey, the AI pathfinding is actually autistic. Yeah, it looks horrible. And you can bounce on the cubes. You can just sort of chill out on the cubes, yeah. But they have okay pathfinding, but they're really strange. They're not exactly, I guess you could say, this is not exactly the typical shooter game. Okay, yeah, if you jump off here, and that's it. That pretty much is like the entire level, woohoo. I didn't proceed much in this because of this very reason. Of virtually the game. Yeah, you can probably tell how this is. And it just is not really a good game. So I didn't care to upload that, didn't care to say anything about that, just sort of did it. It's there. All well. And there's another game that let's see, I guess you could say I think I loaded the wrong project. I'm 100% sure I loaded the wrong project, actually. Oh boy, we'll find out now in a second. Yep, I loaded the wrong project. And as you can sell, but this is just right after I finished up making the Desktop Windows 10. I guess you can say I didn't want to make another 2D game, so I decided just to use this. Now, this isn't much. It is not much at all. It is, in fact, it's a weird, legitimate, horrible game, but it had a great concept. I actually did pretty far in it. You could choose which year you were born in. The only one that worked was 1980. And John, and yeah, that's the only thing you can select. And John, for some reason, never shows up, but don't worry about that, okay? Don't worry about that. No, I didn't like the UI in this. The UI felt too basic. It felt too basic. It was just a slap down. This will definitely change if I actually make the game, you know, better. So yes, there you go. You're born. Woohoo! And also that 5/30 was the 5th month and the 30th was actually when I made the game, made that text, so that's kind of funny if you ask me. Yes. And you pretty much just click age, and you get a thing. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. It's pretty much a live game, except yeah, except there is no, I guess you could say, random events, so it's just all played out. So I abandoned that project here pretty soon. Wow, my grammar, oh boy, who cares? And yeah, that's basically it. That's all I did for the past, I don't know, oh dear, wait a second. Oh my, I have too many projects open. No, go away, projects, no. There we go, now I can speak about my computer. Yeah, now I'm gonna talk about one last thing before I end this crappy video that only 5 people are gonna watch, because no one watches Devblogs, and it's just mainly a stupid thing for me to post out, and so I can feel good about myself uploading. That's right. So one thing I wanted to add was the following. Wall running. Yeah, you can't wall run in this game yet, but I tried to work in, and it just sort of made me float. I didn't wall run at all, and it just kind of made me float. I didn't. Yeah, I can't code if you realize that or not. This is about all I can make, and oh boy, it is not good. Sadly, I've been quite sick for the past couple days, so if you hear me like I guess you could say I have sinuses. Yeah, that's it. I have really bad allergies right now. I don't know why I picked now to record, but I just did, so I did. I guess thank you for watching. Yep, now's a great time for me to explain to you my advertisements. Woo! That's right, I have advertisements now. Yep, hold up. Oh, weird. Okay, so pretty much this is my gaming channel. That's right, somewhat of a professional at nothing. That's it. This is my gaming channel. I have not uploaded. I will not upload for quite a while. But if you want to subscribe to it, like 3 people have, and those 3 people are definitely not my parents, but who cares? And that's right, I will upload. And like, I don't know. And actually, I can give you an exact date when I do upload, because that's right, I'm getting a new microphone, kind of. I'm going to try to get this microphone, because I currently have the world's crappiest microphone in the world. So, I'm going to try to get this one. Okay. I had to go do something, so guess what? Yeah, that's the end. I had to wait 15 minutes to say that's the end.